Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to sign up on Reka AI step by step using the official website. So let's get started. First, open any web browser on your phone or PC. Now within the search bar, type reka.ai and press enter. This will open the official Reka AI website. On the home page, look for Try Reka options. Tap or click on it. Now you will be redirected to the sign-in page where you will see two options, continue with Google or continue with email address. Below this option, you will also notice a message that says don't have an account with a sign up option. Tap on the sign up option. This will open the create an account page. On the sign up page, you will see two options, continue with Google and email address. You can choose either method to create your Reka AI account. If you choose continue with Google, then you will be redirected to a Google account selection page. Now select your Google account and a confirmation message will appear. Tap on continue. Once confirmed, your Reka account will be created automatically and you will be redirected directly to the dashboard. If you choose the email address option, please make sure to enter the email address first. Below that, you will see a passport field. You can start typing in the passport field where a small instruction message appears explaining the passport requirement. Create the passport according to the instruction. After entering your email and passport, tap on the continue button. Now you will be redirected to a verification code page. Here you can see a field to enter a verification code along with a time limit. At the same time, Reka also send a verification code to the email address you entered. So open the Gmail address and open the inbox sent by the Reka and make sure to copy the code. Paste it in the verification field. Once entered, the verification process begins automatically. After successful verification, you will be redirected to the Reka AI dashboard, and that's how you can sign up on Reka step by step either using Google or your email address. So if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.